Gang. YouTube gang, gonna see what I do with now. They are again, you know. That Dan is back in the lab. Yes, man, people. Yeah, you see what I do with it. We're there with another reaction. Today we're there with none other Danny. You don't know the Gully side boss himself. You see me and say, yeah, man, we're there with Mavado and Valiant. One of them big blessings. We'll check it out and see what go on. Now, like people like collaboration, I mean, say when I come in, still, you know. But hey, there, and we'll check it out and see what go on. Can't wake up all the industry to blood clean and we there feet. And who can admit say that wake up in the industry? Hey, we're just a hater at this point. You see me, because all them artists are the lazy out. I not lie to you, but I'm glad to see the culture win when them thing happen. You see me, I say, so I jump right into the reaction and see what go on. Yeah, man, we there with Valiant. But sorry, we there with Mavado and Valiant. Big blessing. Yo, let's get it.
Yo, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 4-star. What does I sing, you know?
𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 4-star, alright. Diplomats.
Gully God.
Yeah.
𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎��� 4-star.
How you for tell me? Say me can't make it out. How you for tell me? Say me can't make it out. How you for tell me? Say me can't make it out. How you for tell me?
Tell me. Yes, man, you know, play. You can't tell that. You can't tell that. Yes, man, go on through. You can't make it out of anything.
How you for tell me? Just $1 million boss. Yeah, I win some $1 million talk. Yeah, $1 million want. Some fuck them on and drop them off fast.
I'm out on some $1 million bar with some $1 million talk. With them girl want, so we fuck them and drop them off. True dog, one true value me here.
For the new year a big blessing, big money and the same hater. A gunshot in your head. Suck your mother with a spear traitor.
You're a big money and big blessings, same haters. Alright, go on.
When I see it is a big blessing.
I don't know my yet man we know, but them can't stop. Go on.
When I life man I make dead paper. Success give them card a caress.
No lie, but we I make dead paper.
Now them heart one pacemaker. The boy want live in a house by the hill and a man pay for. From them band them no straight.
Claw man want live in a house in the hill and a man pay for. Jeez and peace.
Them a shapeshifter. You the place where me come.
And then them a shapeshifter, blood play.
From you don't know for make it out. You have a boy. Who fears in us? And as I hear you, I'm coming from the garrison. Mommy never have it, so me have to do it out. You want to see my club? Barefoot on the rugged road. How you for tell me? Say me can't make it out.
Can't tell we that. I can't tell we that. I want to you, man.
How you for tell me?
You don't find a blood clean tune. You don't find a tune. Me not tell you. Yes, man.
Say me can't make it out. How you for tell me? Say me can't make it out. How you for tell me? How you for tell me?
Oh.
Eyes open, me I see clear. Viet move mountains, me no feel scared. From the young moment tell me you man have to fear. You people up here, you don't want to screw fear.
Go on.
Wanna make it out, it coulda rain or damn sunny.
Rain or damn sunny, I'm to them.
Wanna make it out. How you for tell me? Say me can't make it out. How you for tell me? Say me can't make it out. How you for tell me?
Oh, haters, how?
Say me can't make it out. How you for tell me? How you for tell me? How you for tell me? How you for tell me?
How? I'm to them. Pow. Yeah, man. How if you tell me? Pow in your head. Yeah, man. Valiant, Mavado and Valiant, yeah. I like that. Blessing. So if you tell we say we can't make it out, I want to know. Make so just make some $1 million woman and say make some $1 million talk with them girl want. Don't drop them off. I want to your boy and live my house now here. And a man pay for. You know, see, for the man in a shape. You know, see, a shape shifter. Blood cleat, yes, man. Yes, man. For the whatever little make or muckle where we make, we not depend on a man. I just told you. See me, I say we do our own thing and get to it. We get to the bag. We do one two hand them and we own hard work. You see me, I say, yes, man. Yeah, man, that's what the thing said. Yeah, man, gang. Let me know what you think about the one in the comment section. Me enjoy the one, man. You see me, I think they find it. You see me, I say, yeah, man, I think they find it, man. You see me? Hold on. I think they find it. Vado and Valiant, I think they found it. They did a good job on this one, man. You see me? How you tell me? Blessings, yeah, for the new year? Yeah, we depend on that. You see me? We always depend on where do we got on blessings. You see me, I say, gang? But let me know anything in the comment section. Let's chop it up. Let's talk about it. You already know what time it is. Safe place here. Let's have a discussion, guys. You already know. Hit the like and subscribe. By the way, guys, I do have my second channel. Definitely go subscribe to that. Yes, man, I say. You already know what time it is, gang. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.